is a fishing vessel, but if we call her just a fishing vessel, it would be wrong because it also contains the freezing and factory systems. Shortly, we can call her fish factory freezing triple trawler. That is the good description for this project. We installed the hybrid shaft generator on board. This gives chance to owner low fuel consumption and variable RPM on board. The fishing cases are brought to vessel as a live. They are processed in the factory. There are several plate freezers inside and they can freeze firstly. They go through the packing machine that can pack the 10 pallets together and sent to freezing hold. Main machinery and auxiliaries provided by the Kongsberg. We have 5,400 kilowatt engine on board. The speed approached 18 knots during sea trials. That is a very good performance.
The operation on board Olympic Prawn is really hard work, so people on board will get really tired in the end of the day. So our main goal and main challenge for this vessel is to make them feel at home. When they go to their rooms or when they spend their afternoon in the day room, they will feel really relaxed, and that is the main goal for Olympic Prawn. There are two wet areas on board Olympic Prawn. One is located as a factory and the other one is troll deck. When people are done in the end of the day with their job, they enter the wardrobes through these wet areas and they leave their wet clothes to the dryers. When they enter the vessel through these wet areas, they meet with the coffee shop, which is designed with the highest standards for them to have their coffee and relax in the end of the day. Afterwards, they go up to the lower forecastle deck and they meet with mess room, and after they eat their meals, just one deck above, we have beautiful day room, just designed for their comfort and relaxation. We have a gymnasium on board, which is also equipped with a solarium. In terms of an accident on board Olympic Prawn, we have a hospital fully equipped according to regulations, and it will be able to keep the people safe on board until they reach shore.